We are here at Spruce Knob, the highest point in West Virginia. There's a parking area there and the easy loop hiking trail, walking trail around the summit area with a tower at the summit over in that area. You can follow either that direction or the other side of the trail, which is at the other end of the parking lot here, to get to the overlooks on the summit. It's the view from the observation tower. And this is the view from the west overlook. This is the view to the east. Well, that's more to the south. This is towards the east, or the west here rather.